Hello there, thanks for logging on to WXYZ.com. I'm 7 First Alert Meteorologist Denise Isaac. It is the last day of the year. Can you believe it? Happy December 31st, known also as New Year's Eve. We are tracking a few clouds around here, but overall, big story will be the cold temperatures that will continue and remain to end 2017 and begin 2018. So here we go. We're expecting to see sunshine, but despite of that sunshine, temperatures will be cold. We're talking highs in the teens, but overall today we won't have to worry about a snowstorm or anything in that matter. Maybe a few flurries later on this evening into the night hours as you're heading out to any of your New Year's celebration, but overall the big story will be how cold it's going to get. So let's take a look at our highs today, ranging anywhere between 13 in Lapeer, Rochester, and Howell to 15 in Canton and Roseville. How about future wind chills? Well, throughout the day, or at least throughout the morning, wind chill values will be in the negative values. Then by the afternoon, with the sun, we get to have wind chill values in the single digits. But overall, we're expecting it to feel like anywhere between 0 to 5 degrees. And then at night, as you're heading out once again to get ready to head to holiday parties or any sort of activity, or even if you're just staying home, look at what you can expect by 10 p.m. -5 in Sterling Heights, 9 below in Ypsilanti, while 12 below in Windsor. So it's a really cold one. So here's our New Year's Eve forecast. 8 p.m., 4 degrees, feeling like 1 below. By 10, 2, feeling like 6 below. And then by midnight, it will be 0 and feeling like 10 below. So you get the picture. We need to bundle up. There's a wind chill advisory in effect once again for tonight all the way into New Year's Day morning. So Monday, we're looking at 13, mostly sunny. At least we stay dry over the next 3 days. Wednesday, that's our next shot for some snow. We're very light in nature. And behind that system, temperatures cool down even once more. We're looking at 9 on Thursday and 8 on Friday.